Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl at Just DJ. I am going to be installing these gorgeous butterfly box braids today. This is from the Main Concepts Afri Naturals collection. They just keep coming with some bangers, so let's go ahead and get into it. Okay, and this is how the hair is looking on the model. This is, of course, the butterfly box braids. It comes in 20 inches, and I got it in the color 2. So pretty straight out of the pack. I am completely obsessed with this boho look. So I'm going to show you guys the looping. The looping looks pretty good, and it also stretches, so I don't think we'll have a problem here. So I just want to show you guys my braid pattern, keeping it simple. Cleo braid straight to the back, okay? So I always start my crochet in the nape of my neck. I just find that this method is just easier. I just start looping it through each braid one at a time. So what I found was the easiest method is just to latch the ends on the crochet needle and then bring the ends through the loop after you pull it through. So it just made this process so easy. So benefits of this hair is that it's soft. It's a soft feathery braid, pre-stretched, pre-braided, lightweight and delicate on the scalp, and quick and easy installation, and it comes ready to use. And I am obsessed with how soft this hair is. It is very, very, very lightweight. Like, I can't even believe how much hair I actually installed because it's so lightweight. It feels like nothing is on my head, which I love. It also doesn't pull, or I'm not having any pain on the installation. So far so good. So I wanted to zoom in a little bit so I could show you guys that method I was talking about. So you just take the end and pull it through the loop. It just makes it super, super easy. Like, this install is so easy. I can't reiterate how easy it's been. So now I'm going to put in some of my Lotta Body Mousse. You know, I don't go anywhere without this Lotta Body Mousse. The hair is super lightweight and feathery, so I just wanted to put a little hold on it. This part is completely optional. You do not have to add this, but I just wanted to flatten out just a little bit. And this is what the final results are looking like. I'm completely obsessed with this look. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like, guys. And originally I said I wasn't gonna do the side part. Well, the side part is kind of slaying right now. So I think I'm gonna leave it just as it is. This is the 20-inch butterfly box braids, and I got it in the color 2 just to reiterate. And it's falling where 20 inches normally follows. A little bit right at the chest area. It's giving inches, it's giving butterfly box braid, it's getting everything it's supposed to give. So I only used 4 packs to actually achieve this nice full look. So the hair is super fluffy. It does cover up a lot of space when you're installing. So make sure not to over install the hair so that it doesn't end up too big, because it will get big on you pretty quick. The hair was very easy to install. As you can see, I used just the crochet method where you pull the ends through with the crochet hair. All in all, I think this hair is a banger. It is a must-have from a summer into the fall. I'm loving how this looks. It just gives you such a different look from what we're used to seeing out here. So I just want to applaud the Main Concept for keeping up with these trends. They are always consistent in putting out new stuff and giving you just beautiful looks time and time and time again. So if you want to check out these beautiful box braids from the Main Concept, make sure you check the description box down below. I will link them for you to purchase. Also, thank you so much for joining me on this review. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will catch you guys on my next one. Bye.